Hey, greetings. How are you all doing? My name is Augusta Foster, author of The Divorce Dad Reset and host of the Man Talk Monday podcast. Listen, I've got an amazing event that I am taking part in March 2nd, 2024. Collision with Purpose presents a colloquium in pursuit of purpose. Now, you've heard purpose a couple of times, and that's done purposely. But we're really excited to have you all out. Pre-sale tickets are available. It's going to be a great night where we're recognizing people who are active and operating in their purpose in their respective communities, people from different backgrounds who aren't just doing that, but they're bridging the gap to the next generation to build the legacy of moving and finding one's purpose. We're really looking forward to a good turnout of people to see this award ceremony, a book signing by Dr. Laxley Stephenson. So please come on out. We're excited to see you. We welcome you to come and share in the conversation. And as always, be well. Peace. See you there.
A collision with purpose, in pursuit of purpose.